What's up guys, today I'll be talking about Razer's Huntsman Mini keyboard. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe for more videos. Let's get started. Razer announced the Razer Huntsman Mini 60% optical gaming keyboard, offering you a compact option that's portable enough to take on the road. The new form factor keyboard is the latest addition to the Huntsman family lineup. As you probably guessed by the name, the keyboard is about 60% of the size of a full-sized keyboard, but it still retains all the essential keys for gaming and standard uses. Functions normally assigned to dedicated keys on a full-sized keyboard are still present on the device as the secondary functions, printed onto the side of the keycaps. Dominate on a different scale with the Razer Huntsman Mini, a 60% gaming keyboard with cutting-edge Razer Optical switches, highly portable and ideal for streamlined setups. It's time to experience lightning-fast actuation in the most compact form factor yet. Choose between black or mercury editions, and between clicky or the improved linear switches. Offers faster, lighter and smoother actuation than mechanical switches. Designed for greater durability, they'll never have their labeling wear off with intense use. Activate up to 5 profiles and choose between preset lighting effects without the need of the software. If you're interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.